y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a beauty room slash YouTube room tour. We get started with this video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, thumb it up, and while you're at it, make sure you hit that subscribe button down there. Let's jump right into the video. We're gonna start with the vanity side of the room. So I have a little Chanel, Gucci, and Tiffany Co. Picture painting wall art. This is that from Amazon, so I'm gonna leave y'all the prices and the link in the description box. Then we're gonna move over here to the messy bun and getting stuff done. I purchased that from Hobby Lobby. Then we're gonna go to the brand Joy Mccray, because I am a brand. Stop playing with me. Don't play with no me, because I ain't the one other two. Okay? Big Joy Mccray, not the little one. All right. So I got this from a website called 48 Hour Monogram. It did come exactly like this. You have to paint it yourself, but I decided not to paint mine because if I do paint it, it's probably gonna be pink. But then later on, I might want to change the room color, the room theme. So I just been kind of skeptical on whether I should paint it or not. So from there, sorry for the clacking, y'all, it's the beads. Okay, so from there we're gonna go to the little purse and the books, the Vogue, Chanel, and Christian Dior book. I purchased that from Amazon as well, along with the other one over there. And then we're gonna move down. From there, we have this cute little light you could turn on and off like that my boyfriend got me for Valentine's Day in 2020. So that's it. Okay, so now we on a vanity. So I purchased the vanity itself from Wayfair. I'll leave the link to where I got it from in the description box. The vanity just came with the mirror and this little part right here with the 3 drawers. Now, as far as the vanity lights, I purchased this from Amazon. Like I said, everything I'm telling y'all, I'm gonna tell y'all where I got it from, and I'm gonna leave it in the description box with the price and everything else. And they were like so long, y'all, and I had figured out like a week or two after I purchased them that you just do this to make them fit. So yeah, that's the lights. We're gonna move to the chair. So we had this chair from our first place together. I didn't want to throw it away, so I just decided to put it to use. And I was gonna get like a pink throw to put over it, a furry throw, just to make it look like, just to make it match the rest of the room. But I haven't gotten to that yet. But y'all know I'm gonna have to lace it with a pink fur type of throw with a white rug to go around here. I don't know, cause I put the rug over there, but we ain't there yet. We're gonna get that. But anyways, so yeah, that's that. That's the story behind the chair. Okay, so we're gonna move to, I'm gonna sit down and talk to y'all. Okay. Wait. Let me let y'all know in case y'all wondering. Braids by Tay. Touch by Tay. That's suited my hair, if y'all wanted to know. My girl a fool on the braids. But anyway, so this is the vanity mirror. Y'all probably can't tell in the video, but it does have like a few smugs on it, but that's okay. We don't complain over here. We just make do with what we got. All right, so this is the vanity top. I like my top real clean, so ain't nothing up here. I don't have time for all that stuff up here. So over here, we have the phone holder. If my phone wasn't on this tripod right now, it'll be sitting right there. It sits right there and charged when I'm doing my makeup and stuff, with my eyeshadow and stuff, or doing my hair. And then down here we have the iPad, my keys, the wallet, my planner, a little Michael Kors pouch that I don't know what to do with, that I got as a just because gift. And then over here we have some headphones, which isn't normally in here. Some remotes, my Apple Watch, and a lighter for the candle. And since we're at the remotes, I know y'all probably like, dang, why she got so many remotes? Okay, I'm gonna tell you what each remote is for. Okay, this is the TV remote. All right, okay, boom. This is the LED light remote, the strips. Okay, wait, we're gonna do a little pink. All right, boom. Oops, I'm showing y'all the rest of the room. I didn't want to do that. Okay, so this is that. All right, then we have this remote. This is for the other part of the room, which I don't want to show y'all until I get to that point. But just remember that this remote belongs to that part of the room. This is also for another part of the room that has its own point. But when we get to that point, I'm gonna show y'all. I'm gonna leave these two remotes to the side. This remote for this right here, which is really pointless. It was behind the couch when the couch was a certain way, but now the couch not that way no more, so that don't matter. Okay, this remote is to take pictures of yourself, because I don't always have people to take my picture. My boyfriend don't always want to take my pictures, so I take them myself. It is a remote for your phone. So since we got those out of the way, and we're gonna come back to these two, I'm gonna show y'all what these two do. We're gonna move down here to the drawers. Okay, so in the first drawer, we have some lashes. All of these for this one came from Amazon. I got these, y'all, yesterday from my nail lady. I mean, not my nail lady, my eyelash lady. They're gonna come in handy when I can't make it to the nail shop. Got some makeup wipes, which I need some more. I have some Vicks in here, because sometimes your girl nose be stuffy or whatever. So some Vicks, my bad. Yeah, Vicks Vapor Rub. I got a little hair tie, which this doesn't belong in here, but I guess it's cool to keep a little handy dandy one close. This is my little makeup pouch. This is where all my eyebrows and eyelid stuff is. And then we got some eyeshadow palettes. We got a little Walmart palette. We got a Rihanna Fenty Beauty palette. Ooh, sis. We even got some Black Owned Business eyeshadow. We got the matte book. We got the box of crayons. Okay. And then we got a little nail file in here. Oh, baby, the girls is ready. We got some lip gloss, some lip liner, some more Fenty Beauty lipstick, and we got some eyelash adhesive. It's not glue, but it's adhesive. We got a few brushes, some edge brushes. Y'all know, I'm pretty sure y'all brush out edges with a toothbrush too, but I don't always use a toothbrush because I got edge brushes. But you gotta keep it real, keep it gutter. That's what my stuff with the face said. You gotta keep it real, keep it gutter. But that's that. I'm gonna put the stuff back where it goes. As y'all can see, I'm real organized. In the drawer, we have buku like hair accessories, not hair accessories, hair tools. We have all kinds of blow dryers, brushes, and combs and picks in here. That's what's in that drawer. And then in the third and the last drawer, we have bonnets, some head scarves, some headbands, some rollers, flexi rods, perm rods, blow dryer attachments. Girl, a little bit of everything. Wig caps, a little bit of everything, sis. That's what that drawer is for. So now we're gonna move over here. Right here is a bunch of nothing. We have a little jewelry that's laid out, you know, nothing too major. We got some nail polish, some baby oil, the little charger boxes. If y'all need a little charger box and y'all in the beauty room and y'all just got y'all plug, I mean y'all cord, that boy charger box. Some little Bath and Body Works I got for Christmas for my in-laws. And then we get over here, we got the pineapple, sis. The pineapple, the pink pineapple. And some little shelves my boyfriend put up for me, which I need to find something to put on these. I just threw these up here for the purpose of the video. And then there's the TV, of course, a little 40-inch, you know, nothing too major. And we got our babe cave sign, because this is the babe cave. The babe cave, not the man cave, the babe cave. Oh, okay. So we're gonna cruise on over to the closet. The closet got a little crazy. We ain't gonna show y'all what's up there, but down here is where the lights reside. Where the lights reside, where the lights reside. Over here, we have a few clothes that I have to try on. We'll do a try on haul for. So they stay in here until I actually have time to try them on. Then they move into my real closet. But yeah, that's what's in there. Then over here is where the wigs reside. This one is a headband wig. And if y'all haven't seen my headband wig review, this is the wig that I reviewed, and I think y'all should go check that video out. And I'm gonna leave it in the description box, but this is a wig tripod. If y'all want that, I got that from Amazon too. I'm gonna leave it in the description box. Since we down here, this is where the purses reside, where the purses reside, where the purses reside. Got 2 microcourse bags. Y'all under my bag, get on my bag. We got 2 microcourse bags, and we got a brand new bag. That's the brand. Since we right here, let me shout my girl business out. If y'all looking for little cute bags, make sure y'all check out my girl Instagram page, business page. I'm gonna link it in the description box, but it's a brand new bag. Yeah, that's where the purses reside. And then we got like nice little painting from Hobby Lobby as well. Move over to here, my favorite little masterpiece. Okay, so we're gonna start with the flowers. I got the flowers from Amazon, as well as the curtains and the twinkle lights or star lights. I forgot what they call. This is that. This is my little vibe, my little Talks with Joy area, and everything else I want it to be. Now we're down to the little sofa. I purchased this sofa from Walmart.com. I'm gonna leave it in the description box. Like I keep saying, I'm gonna leave everything in the description box. If you liking on something, it's gonna be in the description box, I promise you. Okay, so I got this little sign, y'all, from Five Below. This is supposed to be an O. I don't know what an O went, but it's Talks with Joy. Subscribe, Joy Mccray. Y'all here, so y'all probably already subscribed. If y'all ain't subscribed, what y'all waiting on? What y'all waiting on? Subscribe to your girl channel, okay? All right, so yeah, this is my little Talks with Joy area, and where all the magic happens. Not that magic, but the video magic. Now we're gonna move over here to my favorite part of the room. Up here I have some Dior, Christian Dior perfume, and some Marc Jacobs perfume, and a little mirror. It's a little dirty too, but I got that from Secret Santa like 5 years ago. So I don't know where she got it from, so I can't plug it out with that. But we're gonna move down to my little store. Okay. All right, so this is my hair product shelf. These first 2 shelves are black owned hair care products. Okay, we got to get into the black owned. Okay, so we have Camille Rose, Miss Jessie, Bell Bar Organic, The Dough, Curls As I Am, Mixed Chicks, and this whole shelf is Mielle Organic. And then we're gonna move down here. This is my colors. If y'all are into temporary color videos, I have some of those on my channel as well. And as you can see, we about to have a ton of videos coming our way with the different colors, so be on the lookout for that. The hair creams and stuff. We have a little Shea Moisture back there, some Aussie, some Lotta Body, Argan Oil, age control, you know. And then down here we have the dye-in section. Is everything wig related, because I would never dye my real hair anything crazy to use any of this stuff. On this shelf is my wig sprays, anything that I need to dye my wigs. When I dye my wigs, mixing bowl, my oils, and my heat protecting sprays back there. And right here is my little organizer, y'all. This is where I keep my little clips, my hair ties, little comb, and this just a miscellaneous drawer. And it's the rubber bands and the mixing stuff. Okay. So down here is where I keep the shampoos, the lotions, the spray bottles, the flat tummy teas, the protein, and the gels. That is my shelf of products. Now we're gonna move over to this side of the room, and this is my little mirror section. This is where all the pictures will start happening if I can ever get it together and actually like a mirror picture. But yeah, this is my mirror section. It also has a little spotlight up here. That's what one of the remotes for y'all, my bad. What this remote was for y'all. It changed the spotlight color to whatever color you want it to be, and you turn it off. Turn it off, all right? And I ain't show y'all this is what this one is for. Just to turn that light off and on. All right, period. I forgot to tell y'all where I purchased this shelf from. I purchased this shelf from Target, and it was $35. These flowers came from Amazon as well. It came in a pack of 4. So that's 1, 2, and that's 3, 4 for like $30-some. I'll leave that in the description box. But back to the section. So I purchased this picture from Amazon as well. The spotlight came from Amazon. The mirror came from Walmart, and it was like $60. The rug came from Walmart, and it was about $20. I purchased this picture from Hobby Lobby, and I think at the time it was 50% off, so it was probably like $12. But yeah, y'all, that's the end of my room tour. But before we go, what it's looking like with just the LED lights, y'all. I love it. It's definitely a vibe, and that's on period. I love it here. Look, beautiful, girl. So yeah, that's the end of my beauty room / YouTube room tour. I hope you guys enjoyed, and if y'all like anything that I showed y'all today, I'm gonna make sure to leave everything down in the description box, so be on the lookout for anything that you were interested in besides the hair products, besides those, because that's not on Amazon. I'm gonna leave it in the description box. Hit me up on Instagram if you want to know. I don't know, but that's all I got for y'all today. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, thumb it up, and while you at it, make sure you hit that subscribe button for me, and I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video.